Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and today we will be making Valentine scratch cards. For supplies, you'll need paper, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, dish soap, packing tape, markers or pens for coloring, and a glue stick. Start by making your card base. Here I'm gluing a colored piece of paper onto an outer card. Next, using a pen or marker, write in the messages you want to be scratched off. They can be anything like I love you, be mine, or Happy Valentine's Day. Once you're done writing the messages, cut pieces of clear tape to go on top of the writing. This will make it so the paint scratches off for your message to be revealed. Make sure to cover all of your writing or parts of it will be painted over. When you have covered your writing with tape, mix a small amount of dish soap with a bit of paint. Start with a small amount of paint, as a little will go a long way. Mix the paint and the soap together with a paintbrush. Then paint over your messages. You can paint different shapes, but here I am painting hearts. You may need 2 to 3 coats for the paint to completely cover the writing. Let each coat dry in between layers. When the paint is dry, you can decorate the rest of the card. Here I am cutting hearts and drawing on lace detail around them. An easy way to cut out hearts is to fold the paper in half and cut out a half heart shape. Once you're done, you could give it to your recipient so they could scratch away the paint to reveal your messages. We hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and as always, the written instructions will be linked in the description box below. Share your art by tagging us at SCYAP Inc. on Facebook and Instagram.